Actually works fantastic. Really well. If you come back here, James, and look down there.
Yep.
Really consistent, really smooth. Lovely. Yeah, if you have a look along there, really good for one coat. Underneath of these cornices, they were really rough. So okay, they might need a bit more, like this.
With normal airless, I'll aim for like the top edge corner for the first coat, especially, and then like when I do a second coat, I'll aim for that bottom edge. So I get, get good coverage on those two edges, because it's easy to get misses on especially the bottom edge.
Yep.
So usually I'll concentrate on spraying normally like towards the top, and the second coat I'll spray focus a little bit lower on the bottom edge.
But first coat, I mean, it's really good. You don't want to overdo it on the first coat.
Yep.
Covers really well. Minimal overspray, like.
Yeah.
But if you can see down there.
Yeah, you shouldn't be like too worried about getting it, even if it comes down here, a little bit further,
Yeah. And it's just like nothing on this door. Feels fine. Really easy to control. So if we do 2 quick coats like that, it's going to save us a lot of time.
The other thing too is like when I'm spraying, if I spray, and if I have to get, if I can get close to the corners, I make sure I move quicker.
Yeah.
And if I bring it away, then you have to slow your pace down. Just change your pace depending on how far away the gun is.
Yeah.
To the corners.
Yep.
Or the wall, or whatever you spray.
All right, let's do a little bit more. How you can stop and it doesn't spray, it doesn't spit, and you can continue on.
Yep.
And it's fine. If you come over here, James, and look down there, you can see how big the fan is.
Yep.
See that looking down?
Yep.
And it's a nice even coat. You can't see that the line pattern. So let's continue on. And I like how if you have something like this, you can go and stop. Go right up to it without risking. Yeah. Yeah.
It's always happens. It's always the bottom corner, bottom edge of the corner is always against
or even just trying this thing out. We've already, you know,
Well, that's no different.
we've already done a lot. So what do you think of it, James?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. Good for a lot of small projects as well, like those battens that we did out at Springfield. That would have been good out the front. Anything lattice work.
Probably take someone easily a few hours to go around and cut the whole house. Like brushing all the corners, at least.
Definitely, at least. Well, it might take someone, 10 minutes to do a whole room. With this, you do it in a minute. Takes you 2 minutes to fill it up. So, I think it's really good. Especially now that I can get some DeWalt tools. It's gonna be good. So that's about it. I do recommend it. James recommends it. And you will be seeing this in future videos, that's for sure. Hey James, I'm gonna be pulling this thing out all the time. Alright, we've got to load it up. All ready to go. And we're gonna keep testing this baby. Definitely saved us time so far. Works really well.
Yeah.
It's really consistent. Leaves no home spray. And yeah, we went right here. Nothing. Nothing here. Nothing there. So it's perfect for this application. Perfect. I mean, if you're doing a new house, I wouldn't use one of these. I'd just use a regular sprayer. But maybe for a repaint like this, it's really good.
Yeah.
Give a close up along there. Just finishes perfect.
Yep.
There's still like quite a bit in there. I like to rest that, something like that. Have a place to rest your gun. So I'm really liking this so far. Saving us so much time. Doing a good finish. Not leaving any mess to go back and clean up on. Really rate it highly. Very easy.